So now in terms of like the dark web history or history of the dark web is part of the internet that is intentionally hidden and inaccessible through standard web browser. So yeah, you cannot access the dark web in Google platform. There is a specific thing you can use for that, but later. It is really used for anonymity and privacy, but it was not founded by a specific individual or groups. The dark web evolved as a result of various technological developments and the desire for increased privacy and security online. As I've said earlier, people access dark web for one reason, and that's to not get their to increase their privacy, to not get caught while doing illegal stuff, to actually not get tracked by government or the Google. However, the concept of the dark web can be traced back to the development of the Onion or router Tor website is what it's trying to say project, which was created by the United States Naval Research Laboratory in the 1990s. Tor is a network that allows users to browse the internet anonymously by encrypting and routing their online communication through multiple layers of relays. So what that means is I will show you that later. While Tor provides a significant part of the infrastructure for the dark web, it is important to note that the dark web itself is composed of various websites and services created and maintained by different individuals and groups. It is a decentralized network and there isn't a single founder or central authority associated with it. So, if you to make it clear or to make it understandable, basically as I mentioned, dark web is not a community, it's not a gang, it's not like a government or an organization. It is basically just dark website that people create to do some unethical stuff, illegal stuff, and all of that website. So basically, there is no founder of the dark website because it is a website that everyone created to do illegal stuff, all like that. But it all started with the Onion Router project, which was created by United States Naval Research Laboratory in the 1990s. Yeah, that's it. That's the history of dark web. I could not make it explain it any more further because you'll be confused because these are the you have not some of you have not experienced getting inside the dark web, and yeah, that's all about it, the history of the dark web. Now in the next column, we are going to I'm going to show you all the laws and privacy if you really wanted to access the dark web. I will be doing that, so let's go to that.